best I use the
Okay.
words. But on
Okay.
the court, you know no court.
Yes.
Bros, I
Okay.
know they do. Me and my baby father, I know they do social media thing with my baby father. He no court. He don't carry me go court twice. He request. He say I kidnap him Pikin. He carry me go court. Court tell am say I no kidnap Pikin. Say they know where me dey. They know where Pikin dey. He can't request
But
again. Say he
Spain,
want the
wait.
team Pikin.
Now Spain,
The
now
country
Spain
and say
still
they
be.
no guarantee am.
Okay, the court has
I
not
just say I
guarantee
dey
am.
Barcelona. Now I go carry Pikin comot. They no come dey find me. They no put me for buska. I carry Pikin run. Oyibo Pikin. I still dey Spain. I still dey Barcelona. Police no dey find me. I tell they do
Okay.
am.
Okay, like
Muna ask am if he enter again. Muna ask am the time when he comot. Since say I kidnap him Pikin. Say the time wey I comot. Who send police? 2 police car. Nice social send make they come pick me up from that house. Make no go find me. I no wan come dey talk to baby father thing here. We are not in. We are. This is not a cause.
Cherry,
Stop. Yeah.
Cherry, you be our Nigeria sister. Wait, you mean say the man dey molest you? 2 police car.
Story full for court. Story full for court. Bros, story full for court. Now make I no wan come dey. See, me and am case no be social media case. Since then, I never post am. I never come and come dey talk about how they do me, how they do me. See this, I never come because court now they handle our case. So no need of this social media of a thing. It's not needed. I talk to my sister today.
You know what you go do for me, Cherry?
If you come again, Muna ask and say the time when me come up for us, which people can't carry me come up for us, and what was the reason? Why you say social they support me? So social just support me like that. No investigation, no nothing. Now court case now they talk. Oh,
yeah.
Now court case now they talk. No be social media saga now they talk. Oh,
yeah.
Now court case now they talk. Then I just come out like that. Carry Pikin run. They Spain, they Barcelona. They know they find me. Police know they find me. Social know they find me. Instead, then they protect me. Why no know where I dey? Why never find me? Bro, okay. No verse. No,
Sherry, wait, Sherry, I believe you. Wait, Sherry, I believe you. You know what thing? That's why I tell her yesterday.
Even if I lie, they know they do investigation. Okay, me see say, we got this person thief, and police know they there. They no see where the person take thief. They go just carry the person go put for prison without any investigation. That's how they say they do something.
Sherry, if you see as I say talk to you now, you know say I be understanding person. I know say you be mother, and I believe everything when you talk because you still dey Spain for them. If you be really bad person, police not go let you take care of those children. You get. I know say you not be caught, but at least we fit still fight for your money for a year. And we not even know say you born for Oyibo. Now that man come cry to us, tell us say see what dey happen. Madam we all one of the listening. One are patient to more not use the thing where he do so to follow up into Oyibo. My refers know what they do. Now that's say not understand me for here. Now you not go know what they do right now. But the people where they follow me from day one know me very well. They know me well. They don't. Also, talking English. So, madam. Okay, let's say the talk for that side. We know they hear you again.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay, I didn't say you done on that call before. When you know this man,
like I said, I'm sorry, but I can't answer the question. Now me and I get the case.
Yes.
Our case they court. I know they do social media saga. If say no be saying now waiting happen between me and this person. Normally, yes. Nobody don't say I don't come out for social media when they do saga. You understand?
Okay.
Me and I'm done settle. Case it don't finish. Social media saga, it don't end. My baby father may carry me go court again. If you want to say you want to the same Pikin, may carry me go court. If court guarantee him, who am I to say no? Not be me. May carry me go court. That is it. I'm sorry, but I can't. I can't do this.
Okay, wait. You know what? Tell me when you tell no. Okay, you know what? Still let us know what happened between una two. We make una two come
Yeah,
back
you
up.
don't say una now.
No,
You don't say una yesterday.
that's why even you see comment now. Nobody want hear from you, but me want hear from you too.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
Okay, what about that first one?
We are doing family. This is family court, not the social media thing. Now family court. If you still say in once, if you still say 2 times where don't carry me go court, if you still say one, may go court. He no road for court. He know where he go. He get in lawyer. Sorry, but I have to go. I have to attend to my son.
Sorry, no problem. I say, wait.
Sorry, I have to go. I have a baby. I need to attend to my baby.
Sherry, no problem. You want come out, Abi? Very nice.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for this one.
You know what? Tell us. You know what? Tell us. Waiting make because if Nami bring this issue come out now, it go be something. It's okay. This is something where be say man.
Yeah, I understand. And now you carry and come. Now you carry and come. Say anything went up for year.
So you know what go.
It's okay.
So you know what go into details.
Anything went up here. Not everybody believe him. It's okay. It's okay. But I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So that is it. Anything went up. Mona believe him. No problem. But na court, now I know the truth. So now be thing. So okay. If court, as you say court.
But you say you're not there yesterday when they talk.
No, I don't already come out before I come they talk, waiting they talk. Before people come, they tell me, say, see waiting, they see your baby father. He did there, I do this. Now, sir. Bros, I need to go. I have a baby. It's night time.
All right.
Yeah, no thank you so much. I really appreciate it, but I'm sorry if you think maybe I'm sorry, but I can't do it. I'm sorry.
No problem. It's okay. So talk to me.
If I attend no ta, but you know if carry person, you know if talk the matter here, but if you carry another person matter come here because of money. Now very easy question. So when you don't reach your turn now, you know if you talk am. But when they carry matter come, or for not say you do me wrong, they not make I even talk. They join you so to make sure say you collect the money. But now when it comes to the find truth now, you can't say you know if you talk. It don't make sense. It don't make sense.
So calm down. So that money, she don't already confirm her to the general public. Say it does him.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah.
This one now, she say he baby father no court. He say he no want talk anything for social media. He say he no be caught.
For Spain, me I tell you Spain, all Europe different past Spain. Spain a very one country where you be like say be like free world. If you get Pikin as a lady, you get Pikin, you rent house for person house, you fit collect the house for the person hand. Even though say na Oyibo, you fit collect house for hand. As far as say you get Pikin, people when they Spain, when they here now they know. As far as say you don't get baby, they don't see you see Pikin. You fit collect house. Anything when you talk, now your side you go the day. The person will collect house for my hand. He get Pikin, I make him fit collect house. So now what did they happen for Spain?
Okay, my Spanish people will come up today, come talk to me. It's fine.
See people already the right on just now. No, I want the lie. As far as say you get Pikin for Spain, now so Spain be.
You will that things they are not be lawyer. I mean more than blocker. I not be lawyer. But if they deport you now, you know me, I not about to call. You know, go call lawyer, make lawyer help you, but lawyer that you will rather thing, wanna block that person for you. Because
I was your no can't go no you to be on your way.
Not be lawyer, but if you have that problem, you know you go come to a lawyer that time. Mogu. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How are you? Happiness.
Well, I was not listening earlier, so I don't know what was said. So I'm just joining the conversation.
English, son, Baba.